traders, it's 6 minutes past 5 p.m. here in Brisbane on Tuesday, the 16th of January, and I wanted to give you an update on the Kiwi Swiss fight. So this is part of the dollar combo fight card back in the 20th of November. So we had the first part, it was Kiwi against the US dollar, and that fight ended up in a very nice knockout, and now it is Kiwi Swiss turn. So let's have a look and start really with the higher time frame. So on the monthly chart, we can see that we are still looking bearish and still in a downtrend. And what we've done in the last couple of months is just going sideways into the averages. So price action was catching up with its averages and started to move away. Now, if we'll take a look here on the weekly, when I've done the fight card, we were sitting somewhere around here, and I was interested in this black level as my offense line. Now, as we can see, we had a deeper pullback here. We'll take a look on the daily chart. We can see that we had a couple of touches there, but I was looking for that compressions of price, which never came. We actually had a pullback into this breakout level, and we can see it's been a strong level in the past. Now, what I like about this break is that we first pushed into it, we came back down, but none of these pushes after that were able to go above this spike. We'll see this in more details on the daily. Then from here, we went back into that level, and we can see we're already going sideways at that level with smaller candles. Now, if we'll take a look here on the daily chart, so when I've done the fight card video, we were at this candle, we had these two touches, but at this point in time, still wasted momentum, and I wanted that compressions of price. But that never came. The bullish momentum continued, and we pushed up into that level. Then we had all this scratchy activity, but like I mentioned on the weekly chart, I like the fact that none of these pushes higher was able to go above this previous spike. And then with this very strong selling pressure, we went through this busy level and through these spikes as well. Now, this touch was formed on the 28th of December, so just the time between Christmas and New Year. There is widening of spread, there is low liquidity, so not a favorable time for me to look for any potential fights. Now, as we can see, we had another touch the next day, again rejection of that level, and then came back, touched it again, pulled back, but not as high, and we are back at that level again. So I'm back at being interested in that level again. I still like this level, but I need to see proper compressions of price. So as we can see, when we came down and slammed dunk into this level, that's a lot of wasted momentum. So far, we don't have a strong compressions of price. It's still coming all the way from here down into this area. I want to see another proper lower high, potentially even a small bearish candle sitting on top of that level. Now, as for my point swing and the knockout, everything stays the same. So if we'll take a look, offense line is still at this area at the black line, with the point swing at the blue line, and the knockout still here at the purple line. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.